You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name from Norse mythology, Old Norse. If you want to learn more confusing vocabulary and god names from Norse, stay tuned. I've got more videos. You can learn a ton more. The god associated with skiing, pronounced in Norse languages like Norwegian, Swedish. There might be some variations with Icelandic too, Danish. Ullr. 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 It's pretty straightforward. Therefore, in English, well, Ullr. Ullr, I guess, would be the closest. Or if you can roll the R, Ullr is a lot better pronunciation. How do you normally pronounce it yourself? Let us know in the comments. Ullr or Ullr. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.